In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft an effective Etsy listing description that's both engaging for your buyers and optimized for Etsy's SEO. Whether you're new to Etsy or looking to improve your shop's visibility, having a well-written description is crucial for attracting potential customers and boosting your sales. Let's dive right into the process. To begin your listing description, it's essential to start with keywords. Think of the main keyword phrase that best describes your product. For instance, if you're selling handmade gold hoop earrings, you'll want to make sure that phrase is at the very beginning of your description. This is because Etsy's search algorithm places significant emphasis on the first few sentences of your listing. A strong start with keywords helps your product appear in relevant searches, attracting the right buyers to your store. Once you've set the stage with a strong keyword phrase, the next step is to shift your focus to writing for humans first. It's important to strike a natural and friendly tone as you describe your product, as if you're introducing it to a friend. Let your customers know what the product is, who it's designed for, and what makes it stand out from similar offerings. This personal touch will engage your buyers and make them feel more connected to the item you're selling, increasing the likelihood of a sale. Now, let's talk about adding key details. When potential buyers are scanning through listings, they often look for specifics that matter to them. Include information such as size, material, available color options, and any necessary care instructions. While bullet points are fantastic for making these details easily scannable, remember to maintain a consistent and clean look throughout your listing. As you move along, it's important to incorporate secondary keywords naturally. These are related terms that people might search for, like gift for her, boho jewelry, or wedding accessories. Integrate these related phrases naturally into sentences instead of cramming them in all at once. Using secondary keywords effectively broadens the reach of your listing, drawing in more diverse groups of interested buyers. To wrap things up, don't forget to include a call to action at the end of your description. This is your opportunity to gently encourage your buyers to take the next step. A friendly nudge like "add this to your cart today and enjoy fast shipping" can make the difference in motivating someone to make a purchase right then and there. And that's how you write an Etsy listing description that's clear for buyers and optimized for SEO. It's about balancing keyword strategy with an inviting tone and informative details. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Etsy tips. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!